my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video and sending over this gorgeous wig, y'all. I have another curtain bang wig. I did curl this wig myself. If you guys want to see all of that, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that over here. Thank you so much for coming on my channel, and let's get into this wig because isn't it just so adorable? It's so adorable. I love it. Hey everybody, so we are working with Beauty Forever. So we have some nails, melting band, lashes, and wig caps. And the wig comes nicely packaged like so. We have a 7x5 Bye Knots wig. It is 20 inches. And I believe it's loose wave. All right, so we have our adjustable elastic band in here. And then we have some stickers to adhere the wig. All right, so here is the wig we're working with today. Beautiful loose curls, I love these. And this is a curtain bang, y'all. It already has a curler on it. How freaking cute is that? But let's get into the structure of this wig. It looks like a 7x5. Yes, so 7 inches left to right, 5 inches deep. We have the adjustable straps on the side, the grip strips. There's also a nice little cuff right here for your ears. And we've got a comb on the bottom. Yep, just a comb on the bottom. But yeah, this wig is 20 inches. It's actually really, really gorgeous. Look at the sheen. It's like a perfect luster on this wig. It feels nice and soft. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some foundation on the inside of this lace, and then we're gonna put this baby on and see if it's just like, you know, ready to go. And then I'm also gonna put my elastic adjustable band on there as well, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so here is what the wig is looking like straight out the package. Hair combed out, just finger combed out. We've got our little curtain bang situation. We've got some curls in here. It looks cute. It's definitely manageable. Straight out of the package. I think it looks decent. I think it looks decent straight out of the package. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix up my bangs a little bit. Might put some fresh curls in here, even though these curls look really good. These straight out of the box curls are really pretty. Actually, let me show you guys the back real quick. I can see the potential to this real nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fix up my curtain bangs a little bit more. I might trim these little bangs right here a little bit more as well. I'm gonna flat iron it, put some curls in it. I will be right back. What do y'all think? Oh my gosh, I think it turned out so freaking cute. I went ahead and curled my hair with the flat iron and put the little straight pieces at the bottom. I don't know why I've been liking that a lot lately. But hold on, let me put all the hair to the front so you can see how full and thick the hair is. It looks so beautiful, you guys. I've been loving me a curtain bang situation. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I feel like curtain bangs are perfect for the winter time. I don't know, it gives you just like a little cover up, you know, just like a little warmth. I don't know, I like it so much. But again, this is a 7x5 bye-bye knots loose wave curtain bang wig. It is 20 inches and it's a pretty long 20 inches. Like, honestly, I feel like it's a long 20 inches in my opinion. But I really love the length of this with curtain bangs. So pretty. Look at the volume on this hair. Like, look how it just moves around and it's just bouncy and just so full of life. We love when the wig has some life to it, okay? Yes, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. It's so cute. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. I will have the link to this wig, all their other wigs. Beauty Forever is selling their wigs on Amazon, so you can get your wigs in 2 days, y'all. Yes, Beauty Forever. Oh my gosh, this wig is so freaking cute. I'll also have a discount code in there for you guys as well. Don't forget to check that out. Drop a comment. Tell me what you guys think about these curtain bangs, y'all. Are you guys feeling it? You guys want curtain bangs this winter? What's going on? Let's talk about it in the comments. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Thank you again, Beauty Forever, for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.